Hi all, how are you? Today we are going to deal with sound. In Unit 1, Lesson 3, the subject is words with the same sound. Words with the same sound. Guitar, car, star. You see, students, these three words have the same sound. Guitar, R, car, R, star. They have the same sound or the same pronunciation. First one is teacher, 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 E sound. Number 2, read, E sound, read. Number 3, you see, peach, E sound, long E, peach. You see, these three words have the same sound. Teacher, read, and peach. Next, mother. This ER is mother, mother. Soldier, soldier. This ER is also sound. Soldier. Next one, flower. Sound. Flower. You see the picture of a flower, and the C words have the same pronunciation. Mother, soldier, flower. 30. Skate and bed, bed. You see, guys, 30. Yeah, this IR, the sound is yeah. Skate is yeah also. Bed is also yeah. These words also have the same sound. Good. Hook. Cook. Guys. Good. You say good, which means short U. Good. Okay? Hook, short hook. Cook, short cook. They have the same pronunciation. Good, hook, cook. Horse, horse. Sword, fork. They have the same sound. Horse, or horse. Sword, or sword. And also fork. They have the same sound. Let's review. In that lesson, we mentioned words with the same sound, like first one, you see, the C words, guitar, car, star. Number 2, you see, teacher, read, and peach. Go to number 3, mother, soldier, flower, flower, flower. This one is 30, 30, you see, 30, 30, 30. Number 2, skate, skate, yeah, and also bed, bed, bed. Next one, good. Hook, cook. They have the same sound. The last one, horse, or sword. And the last word of this lesson is fork, fork. Thanks for watching, guys. I was very pleased to talk about this. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.